Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Facebook dating not showing up on iPhone. Facebook app, for example, if you want to use Facebook dating option on your Facebook on iPhone, so if it is not showing, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to general, and here you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the app store, and here and in the app store you have to make sure that you have to check whether you have installed the latest version of the Facebook app or not. And if it is not showing any kind of update, then you have to simply open the Facebook app. But if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Facebook app. And after updating the Facebook app, you have to simply go to Facebook, and here you have to simply click on three lines here, and here you can simply find the option of dating. But if you do not find the dating option, then what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are in the region where dating option is available. Moreover, you can also check whether your age or all the community guidelines you follow on Facebook. Moreover, you can simply go to help and support and check whether how you can simply get the Facebook dating app dating on your iPhone. So here you have simply search for dating option. So here you have to simply look for that. So here you can simply search for dating app, and after that Facebook will tell you using dating eye on Facebook dating. So here you can simply check how you can simply do that. So here is the option available. Open the Facebook app, then tap dating, so tap matches. So if is on not available, so how you can simply create for profile. So here you can simply ask for the Facebook dating terms. Here are the dating the term explain how Facebook date is only available to people over the age of 18 who are legally permitted to use the service in their jurisdiction. The term also provide in the details how a user Facebook dating can delete their Facebook dating profile via the Facebook dating settings. So these are the terms you have to follow while using a Facebook dating. But if you do not have the option, which means you are ineligible for Facebook dating. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.